That's the right place for it. Just keep turning it till it fits. You're doing a great job.
It fits.
Yay!
Where's that one fit? Too.
You got both of his hands in? Looks to me like you do. Now what you gonna put in?
A shoe for Mickey.
How many shoes does he have?
1 and 2.
Right.
There's some shoes.
And what's that?
A bush.
A bush. What color is it?
It's green.
It is. Remember, you have to turn it till the flat areas match. That was sort of tricky, isn't it?
I turned it.
Did you get it? Not quite. Just keep turning.
I did it.
Yay! Good job.
Do pants.
He has to wear pants, doesn't he?
I'm gonna do it again.
Good.